Hello there, my name is Luciano Oliveira. I am a Brazilian attorney. I'm here in Rio de Janeiro, and today we're going to be talking about property management in Rio de Janeiro, how to find a good property manager. And the idea is most of our clients, they buy properties in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro and other cities, but they are not going to be living in the country. They are going to be, coming for vacations every now and then, and they need a property manager who's going to take care of their properties while they are abroad. So what does a property manager do? A property manager is going to take care of keeping the property clean. They are going to send a maid, like it could be every other week, it could be once a month. They are going to take care of payment of taxes. If you have an apartment in Rio de Janeiro, there are going to be the HOA fees, which could be quite substantial. Those fees need to be paid monthly, and you're not going to be sending this money from abroad, because sending money from abroad is just too complex, even if you use Wise. And if you use Wise, property manager company will probably not accept Wise. They're going to need the payment to be done locally. So if you have a property manager, you may send, let's say, payments quarterly, and the property manager is going to take care of all of those obligations on a monthly basis, paying the HOA, paying the maid, and paying other parties who are going to be taking care of the property on your behalf. So what should be the qualities of this property manager? The first one, they should be able to communicate in English or in your language. Even if you're from Europe, like if you're from Germany or France, chances are the property manager is going to speak only English, and not that fluent English, but enough English for you to understand. And that should be enough for you to communicate, and that's usually the best you can get. Another quality of a good property manager is to be quick with communication, and to be able to work with not only those regular tasks, but with particular tasks as well. Let's say if you're just keeping the property, if you're going to have a friend traveling to Brazil and you're going to let this friend stay in your place, you want to have a property manager who's going to take care of the arrangements on your behalf. You don't want to have a property manager that is going to say, you know what, this is not part of the contract, I can do anything related to that. So flexibility and willingness to work with some exceptions, that's another plus for a good property manager. So how do you find this good property manager, this ideal property manager? Our recommendation is for you to first find which property managers speak English or speak your language, and you could actually interview the property manager. Some property managers, they are actually companies, so this company is going to have multiple employees acting as a property manager. So before you actually close on a deal with a property managing company, ideally you should ask the company to introduce who will be the actual property manager, the person himself or herself, and see if you like this person's style. A good rapport is also a good indicator if this relationship is going to work as you expect. Finally, if you don't have any referrals, or if you're too busy for doing this research yourself, we can help you with a referral as a service. So if that's of your interest, get in touch with us and we can help you find the ideal property manager. I hope you like this video and follow us for more tips.